It's a step up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 6 steps up.
Yeah.
We've been saying probably about 150 to 170.
Yeah, that would be about perfect.
Hi, I'm Katie, the marketing manager here at Master Networks HQ, and I lead the marketing team. This past year was actually my first Connect, and so I dove in and did a lot of different things, but during the actual event, I was the liaison with the hotel, so just making sure that everyone had everything that they needed. If we needed anything from the hotel, then I could grab that from them. It was really exciting to get all of the team down to the Sheraton. The goal of this meeting was to really let everyone walk through the space, see what it has to offer, so that when we start brainstorming, everyone has a really good understanding of where everything is, where we could put things, and just the possibilities of what the Sheraton has to offer.
I love the lighting at the Hilton 2019. If you go back and look at those pictures, the lighting that we did there was just like, wow, it was phenomenal.
Just there's those photos from 2019 of the gobo on the side of the wall.
And it was so
good.
Especially with the blue uplights on the banners that were there.
This would be fun at night with the lights and everything and all the buildings. This would be cool.
I can see building because like the lady that couldn't bring her board, it was such a powerful moment for everyone in the room.
So I think the insets back here will create that great space behind the rear projections, and it will just look really good. I am Katelyn Porter, Director of Operations for HQ, and my responsibilities at Connect are over registration and that first experience for our members when they connect. So at the meeting, it was the first time I saw the Sheraton, and I was blown away. Like, it was amazing space.
When you walk down or you ride down the escalator to the space, it looks massive, it feels massive.
Definitely a level up from what we're used to, so we got to take a tour of the entire space. We started earlier this year so that we can make sure that everything that we want you to have and all the partnerships is going to come to fruition in enough time for next year.
Look how big, like so much opportunity out here.
This is our pre-convene. We have a lot of ideas, but we'll, of course, this is one of our main talking points this afternoon because there is so much space, there's a lot of options and a lot of ways we can fill it.
Flag football tournament down here.
They brought in like big trucks before, and Corey was like, we could get a mechanical bull.
Yep. Mechanical bull. Hey, I'm Chaz Wilson, president and co-founder of Master Networks. You know what's interesting is Connect was an idea I had about 9 years ago. Sarah Bungie and I were sitting in our office in Minnesota talking about this idea of having an event where entrepreneurs could come together from across the country. The vision of what we had, we saw come to pass, which is pretty exciting.
So we actually started looking at new Connect venues back in February, which is the earliest that we've ever looked for a new venue.
I think this is the earliest we've started planning for Connect. Now, we've had our dates kind of picked out and the next location before, but this is the first time we've really started the ball rolling on planning and ideas and what we can do to raise this to the next level.
I do think if we added in more activities and things like that, I don't think the days being too long would be as much of an issue just because they would be doing different things.
The goal was to take what we've known of Connect and take it to a different location, which is why we wanted to go downtown Dallas and how we landed on the Sheraton.
Walking through the Sheraton was pretty cool because, you know, with anything in business, you sort of evolve step by step. And we've been to hotels that were, you know, smaller in size, and they work. It's like mixed emotions, excitement and a little bit of anxiety and anxiousness with it. So, but it's pretty cool.
I am obviously 100% on board with Connect every single year. I would never miss one. We plan that as part of our vacation, and so going to see this next level event and what we're going to offer not only Master Networks members but other business people and entrepreneurs.
So much more value than what we've had in past years. I think it's going to be an amazing experience.
I'm really excited that we started planning this early. We had some really good ideas coming out of this planning meeting, and so I'm so excited to get those implemented and see everybody at Connect.